Hi, it's Daniel from Snapshades and you're watching installation video D3 for magnetic side mounts installation. So the first step is to locate magnetic attachment points on the shade. You can do this by gliding the magnetic mount on the outside and the magnets will attach to the magnetic mount. So step 2, we'll be marking the locations of where the side magnetic mounts are going to be. First, insert the shade into the window frame and mark the location on the door trim. Step 3 is to clean the surface with the provided alcohol wipe, and you can dry it off with a microfiber cloth. Step 4, you peel off the adhesive tape and stick the mounts onto the marked positions. Step 5, you allow the magnetic mounts to bond to the surface. Allow them to rest for 20 minutes so that the tape will bond to the plastic trim. The last step, you insert the shade into the window frame and let the magnets on the shade click onto the magnetic mounts on the door. So we'll be performing the slam test now. And the installation is complete.